أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that Allah in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So, inshallah, today let's learn the next part of Surah Al Abasa, that is command number 23 to 42, inshallah. Let's begin with recitation, inshallah. First, I'm going to recite these ayahs, then let's look into the rulings, okay? Fine. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. كلا لما يقض ما أمره فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه أنا صببنا الماء صبا ثم شققنا الأرض شقا فأنبتنا فيها حبا وعنبا وقضبا وزيتونا ونخلا وحدائق غلبا وفاكهة وأبا متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم فإذا جاءت الصاخة يوم يفر المرء من أخيه وأمه وأبيه وصاحبته وبنيه لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه وجوه يومئذ مسفرة ضاحكة مستبشرة ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة ترهقها قترة أولئك هم الكفرة الفجرة. Alhamdulillah, very short ayahs. Now let's look into tajweed, the rulings of each ayah here. Alhamdulillah. Beginning with ayah number 23, inshallah. كلا لما يقض ما أمره كلا. Lam here for two haraka, alif madiyah with emphasizing it due to tashdid. كلا لما mim mushaddad, two count gunna, and also there is alif madiyah, so two count stretching. لما. Okay. يقضي يق قافض قلقلة and no hums in it. You should not sound it like a kha. يق يقضي ضي. Bod is heavy and don't make a sound of dal and make it heavy like a dui. Dui is wrong. يقضي ضي ضي. Okay. يقضي حافة اللسان on the sides of your tongue. يقضي ما أمره ما. We're starting it for four count because this is mad al jaiz munfasil. The mad due to hamza, all mad due to hamzas are stretched either for four haraka or five. We are keeping it for ما أمره. Ra heavier and this ha mad al sila sughra, ha with inverted dhamma will convert to ha sakina. Okay, inverted dhamma always converts to sakin during waqf. So it is amara. And don't forget to pronounce that ha. You should not miss it and you should not say amara. That ha is compulsory there or the meaning will change grammatically. It is amara. Okay. كلا لما يقض ما أمره فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه فلينظر Lam no qalqala. Yanzuri nun sakin followed by dha. Ikhfa is done and it will sound a bit heavier because dha is heavy. Yanzu. No buzzing sound. Tip of the tongue is used here and it should be heavier. It is a heavy letter. If you make it light, it will convert to dal with the same makhraj. Okay. فلينظر الإنسان. إخفاء again. Not in. إنسان إلى to حركة طعامه. not التاء, it is a طا and a عين clearly for two cut. طعامه. This is standing kasra, but the next word is starting with hamza. That is why there is mad ruling here, which is called as mad al sila kubra. This is a sughra because after this pronoun ha, which has inverted dhamma, there is no hamza. It is sughra, but this is a kubra. The kubra means big, the bigger mud, the mud which is due to hamza. Usually it is just like mad al jaiz munfasil, right? Where the mud is separated, but we are calling it mad al sila kubra due to that grammatical ruling of pronoun male, pronoun third person. It is used. That is why we can say it mad al sila kubra. The ruling is same, just like mad al jaiz munfasil. The hamza is separate, not attached. The stretching it for is for 4 or 5 haraka and we are keeping it for all the mad due to hamza. We just inshallah will keep 4 haraka. Okay, we can keep it 5 but not more than that. We'll just keep it 4 inshallah. And while stopping, even this standing kasura, even though it has this mad sign on it, it will convert to sakin. Okay, mih mih in this way. فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه. أنا صببنا الماء صبا. أنا نون مشدد تكان غنة with stretching it for تكان because of this ألف مادية. أنا صببنا صبب صاد heavy and this ba with the قلقلة. صببنا. This alif maddiya. Can you see this alif maddiya here? But we are not going to read it during wasal. While joining this, we'll not read because I have already said all the madul asli, that is which we stretch for 2 haraka. That can be alif waw ya mad, alif waw ya al mad saghira, alif makhsura, this mad al sila sughra, that is inverted dhamma. Whatever it is, when connecting it with the next word which carries a hamzat al wasl, then we are not going to read that mad. Okay, we will not read it swaba binal, but we will cancel this alif maddiya and this hamzatul wasl is not read while connecting صببنا الماء. Again, alif mad followed by hamza in the same word. Mad due to hamza 4 harakat. This is mad al wajib muttasil. Right? أنا صببنا الماء صبا. Don't forget to pronounce this so heavily. It is important, or else it will convert to seen. The meaning of a word will be changed. Sabba. Here, madal iwad is applied. What is madal iwad? Iwad means substitution, conversion. What is happening here? While doing waqf, that is while stopping, this tanween, fatha, tanween of fatha only, not any other tanween. That is domatan, kasratan will convert to sakina during waqf. But fathatan will convert to alif maddiya. What is alif maddiya? Ba with fatha and alif. Another tanween is removed. It is not a sabban now. It is sabba. And also you have to stretch it for 2 haraka. Many sisters are applying this madal iwad but stretching it only for 1 count. 1 count is wrong. It is 2 count. It is converting to alif maddiya. 2 haraka is compulsory there. Okay. أنا صببنا الماء صبا. Ba 2 count. ثم شققنا الأرض شقا. ثم ثانو whistling sound. ميم مشدد 2 count غنة. شققنا قاف clearly and this a قاف with قلقلة. شققنا 2 count here but while connecting no 2 count will be there. Alif madya will be cancelled but while stopping you should say that ثم شققنا. Due to this hamzatul wasl iltiqa sakina and ruling will be applied and this alif mud will be cancelled. شققنا الأرض أرض. Ra sakin heavy, dad heavy, but don't make this hamza heavy to make these two letters heavy. Don't recite ordo, o is wrong. أرض أرض. Okay. ثم شققنا الأرض شقا شقا. Qaf again here for two count due to that مد العوض. Okay, don't convert the qaf to kaf or kha. ثم شققنا الأرض شقا فأنبتنا فيها حبا فأنبتنا. Okay, the noon sakin followed by ba here. That noon sakin will convert to meme. That is why there is meme here. Can you see a small meme? That is iqlab, conversion, changing of noon sakin into meme due to the letter ba, where we are going to do iqlab with the two haraka gunna. You will not recite fa an. Noon is not there now. It is fa meme, but with a light kind of gunna for two haraka. فأنبتنا تعويض همس. فأنبتنا فيها both to count. فيها حبة. very sharp from وسط الحلقة. Again the same thing here. We are doing مد العوض for two count stretch inshallah. فأنبتنا فيها حبة وعنبا وقضبا. Wow has tajdid. Why is it? Because while connecting, we will pronounce it like فيها حبا وعنبا وقضبا. If you want to connect this ayah to this, then حبا but we are not connecting, so it is حبا وعنبا وعينا. Ain should be clear. If you convert that to Hamza, the word is meaningless. وعنبا idgham. You have to remember those sounds of idgham while merging and also to come gunna. وعنبا وقضبا قض قض. Okay, while pronouncing that Allah, the sakina, you have to be very clear not to do qalqala. Okay, don't lift the tongue soon. Just let the sound flow. It is a letter of rikhawa, but the sound should be flowing when it is in sakin, like a qad, in this way. If you just lift the tongue soon, it will be sounding like wa qad. Qad. It is similar to dal now, right? You should not pronounce it like dal. Wa qad وقضبا. Okay, again مد العوض here. وعنبا وقضبا وقضبا وزيتونا ونخلا وزيتونا وزي. Again this tajdid is due to this idgham. Okay, وقضبا for that, but we are not pronouncing it by connecting, we are pronouncing it separately. That is why tashdid is invalid here. وزيتونا. Zay, not a zay. Okay, the yalin sound should not be zaytuna. Zaytuna is wrong. Zaytuna. Zay, and then this letter za, you should not do hums. No extra air is required to pronounce a za. Buzzing sound is produced without that air. If you include any air, then you will have a sound of mixture of that za and the sa. Okay, and it will sound like wazai, wazai, zai, za and sa together. It should not be like that. It should be za. Okay, the letter za, letter to, and letter jim. These three letters are the letter of jahar, not of hums, and these three are letter which usually students do mistake in and pronounce it with the hums. Like for to, it is like to, and for jim, jim, and for za, 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 with the seen sound there. You have to not do hums in these three letters because there are many letters of jahar, except that 10 letters, all the letters are of jahar where air is not included, but still commonly students do mistake in these three letters, and also in the letter of qaf, pronouncing it like kha. Okay, that is also like, it is like doing hums there. It is not a kha, it is a qaf. So keep track on these four letters whenever you recite. Make sure you don't pronounce it with hums. It's not wazai, wazai. See, za and sa mixture is there. It should not be like that. زي okay وزيتونا تو حركة وزيتونا ونخلا. And don't think this as alif madya, as you already know that tanween always has fathatan, especially you will always see one alif with it. Okay, وزيتونا نوى إدغام بفتوح حركة غنة ونخلة. Kha is also a letter of Rikhava. Rikhava means flowing of the sound. You should not say wanakh. This is a qalqala. Wanakhla. Wanakhla. The sound should flow. Wanakhla. Again, mad al-iwad here. وزيتونا ونخلا وحدائق غلبا حبرشا. This alif madya for four haraka due to this hamza, right? Mad due to hamza, mad al wajib muttasil, stretch it for four count. Cough heavily, don't say qa, it is qa. Okay, غلبا. Gha should not have hums in it, or else it will sound like a go go go. Ga sound should not be there. It is a wu, wu. Okay. غلبا. Again, مد العوض here. وحدائق غلبا وفاكهة وأبا وفاكهة. فاكهة. Have it. Last part of your throat. tanween followed by waw idgham with two count غنة وفاكهة و two count غنة. Okay, أبا. Again, emphasize this and mad al here. وفاكهة وأبا متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم. Okay, mata'an. Ain here, not hamza. Mata'an. But we are not going to pronounce it like a an. Why? When tanween or noon sakin is followed by lam or ra, that noon sakin and tanween will not be pronounced, as we are going to completely merge it with the lam and ra. How to pronounce it? Mata'al. Al. Okay, not an. Al, but emphasize this lam because in this tajdeed, it is indicating that there is tanween, the noon sakin of tanween and also the lam together. Okay, mata'allakum allakum mata'allakum wali an'amikum. No gunna on this meme, just idhar. Extra gunna is not required. Idhar is shafawi. Lakum wali an'amikum. Again, noon sakin followed by huruf al-halqi. No extra gunna required, just idhar. Ain clear, and here the meme is already with sakin, right? So it will not convert to anything. Stop with sakina. Wali an'amikum. Okay, with idhar, inshallah. mata'allakum wali an'amikum. فإذا جاءت الصاخة. فإذا. Dal two count and with no buzzing sound. Don't say فإذا. Okay. جاءتي. مد الواجب متصل. مد due to Hamza four count. جاءتي الصا. This you have to connect this ta to sod and make the sod heavier. Alif mad followed by a letter carrying tashdeed. Mad al-lazim kalimi musaqqal. Mad which is due to tashdeed and it is in the word, that is what is kalimi. جاءت الصاخة. Six count stretching, and this is a kha with tajdeed. To make it stronger due to tajdeed, you'll have to do nabar, rising the accent to show that you're doing, you're emphasizing on that letter kha. Okay, this ta marbuta, the round ta, will convert to ha with the sakina, and that ha should also be correctly audible, inshallah. فإذا جاءت الصاخة. Okay, that the number, the accent, the rising of accent should be there, inshallah. يوم يفر المرء من أخيه. يوم, not يوم. يوم يفر ra with dhamma should be heavy. Many are making ra with fatha heavily. That is easy. But to make it heavy with dhamma is a bit difficult and you have to practice it, okay? Yafirru. Rul. Lam here. No hamzatul wasl will not pronounce it. Yafirrul. Mar'u. Ra sakin heavy again. Don't make it more. More is wrong. Mar'u. Only ra sakin should be heavier. Now this mean. Mar'u. Min, no gunna, no extra gunna is required, just min. Akhi, which is a ruling we apply here of mad. Madul arid lissukun, right? Because this ha with kasra will convert to sakin, temporary sukun. We are doing work, temporary sukun is added, and the letter before that temporary sukun letter is the mad, right? Madul asli. That is why we can stretch it for either 2 count or 4 count or 6 count, but we are going to keep it for 4 haraka, inshallah. يوم يفر المرء من أخيه وأمه وأبيه وأمه. Okay, mim mushadda 2 count gunna, ha with standing kasra madal sila sughra, make it 2 count. وأمه وأبيه وأبيه. Again, same thing here. Mad al-arid lis-sukun. The mad due to temporary sukun, stretch it for 2, 4 or 6. But as we're keeping it 4 in this tilava, it should be 4 till the end. We cannot change it like sometimes 2 haraka, sometimes 4 and other times 6. This is wrong. 4 means completely 4 throughout the tilawa, inshallah. Wa ummihi wa abihi وصاحبته وبنيه وصاحبته. Saw heavy, ha sharp, and this half to count. وصاحبته وبنيه وبنيه. Again, madul arid للسكون. We are stretching it for 4 count. وصاحبته وبنيه لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه. لكل, connect this to this meme. لكل امرئ, لكل امرئ, and we are not going to stretch this here. There is no sakin here, okay? Don't recite it like لكل امرئ. It is likulli mri'in. Fine. And this tanween here will be connecting to meme, and we are doing idgham with 2 count gunna. Likulli mri'in minhum. Minhum. Gunna, and this nun sakin with no gunna. Why? Because the next letter is ha, and so we are doing it hard there. لِكُلِّ امْرِئٍ مِّنْهُمْ. Again, meme sakin is harashatavi. يَوْمَئِذٍ. يَوْمَئِذٍ, not yoma. Okay. يَوْمَئِذٍ. Tanween followed by sheen. Now we will do ikhfa. 2 count gunna. يَوْمَئِذٍ شَأْنٌ. شَأْنٌ. sh. That should not sound like sha'u. Sha'u. This sound is qalqala sound. Sha'nui, sha'nui. Okay, the jerk means completely stopping off, cutting off the sound and the breath. The sound and the breath, the flow should suddenly stop, like sha. It should not be back, bouncing back like sha. This is a qalqala. Bouncing is qalqala. We have to do a jerk, a qata there. Qata means cutting off. Sha'nui yughni. Nuyu. Nuyu. Okay, the gham. Merging should be there. Sha'nui yughni. Ghain, fluid sound. It should not be yoga. Yugh. Yugh. Okay, continue its sound. It should not be bouncing back. Yughni. Again, madul arid للسكون here. لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه وجوه يومئذ مسفرة. وجوه يومئذ. Jim for two count. This tanween is followed by ya. Hui. This kind of sound should be there. Ya. Wujuhu yawma idhin. Not yoma again. It should be yawma idhin. Tanween followed by meme. Two count. Gunna. Musfirah. Ra heavy. This time marbuta will convert to ha with sakina. But if you want to connect this, you'll have to do ikhfa. Musfiratun ضاحكة in that way, okay? But we're not going to connect it. We'll just stop it here. Time marbuta will convert to ha. وجوه يومئذ مسفرة ضاحكة مستبشرة ضاحكة ضا. It should not be da, not a dal. And if you want to make dal heavy, it will sound like do. See, it will be very clear that you're making dal heavy. Do. It is from the sides of it and hafatul lisan. Do. There is a difference in do, right? Do. It should be from the hafatul lisan only. ضاحكة حبرشة ضاحكة تنوين followed by ميم إدغام with two count غنة ضاحكة مستبشرة باب إذا قلقلة راهبي تاي مربوطة بالكلمة ها with ساكنة ضاحكة مستبشرة ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة ووجوه تنوين followed by ya. You have to do it idgham now. How to do it? ووجوه ya to kanuna with that sound. ووجوه يومئذ Yauma, not yoma. Yauma izin. No buzzing sound on this azar. Don't say izin. Okay, izin. Tanween followed by ain. Izhar is done. No extra unna is required. وَوُجُوهٌ يَوْمَئِذٍ عَلَيْهَا, not alayha. Lay is wrong, it should be lay, and hamza is wrong, it should be ayn. عَلَيْهَا غَبَرَةٌ. Ayn and ra should sound heavier. Isti'ala is done. غَبَرَةٌ. غَبَرَةٌ. But that ba should be lighter, okay? غَبَرَةٌ. Time marbut again here will convert to ha with sakina. وَوُجُوهٌ يَوْمَئِذٍ عَلَيْهَا غَبَرَةٌ تَرْهَقُهَا قَتَرَةٌ. It should not sound tor. You should not make a ta heavy, just tora sakin. These two letters must be light. Few sisters have this problem that whenever they see that heavy letter, the letters around it, they'll make it heavy as well. You should not do that. Practice it will be easy. Practice with these words. Wherever there are the heavy letters followed by light letters, just practice those words separately. You will be inshallah perfect in it, okay? ترهقها. Off again, it should not sound like a kha. ترهقها قترة. Off and the ra should sound a bit heavier like a qa, ra. But the ta is a ta. قترة. You have to practice that how suddenly with the heaviness you should go to lightness, and with lightness suddenly to heaviness, isti'ala, and then rising the back portion of the tongue and then making it down. Okay, tafkhim and tarkhiq should be easy for you. قَتَرَةٌ تَرْهَقُهَا قَتَرَةٌ أُولَئِكَ هُمُ الْكَفَرَةُ الْفَجَرَةُ Ulaika. You can see there's a wow here. There is no sakin on it, right? Therefore, we're not going to stretch it. As we have already learned, when dhamma is followed by wow with a sakin, then it is two count. But you cannot see any sakin here. Then what is the ruling? If there is no sign, then there is no sound. You will not recite ulaika. Just ignore this wow. Ulaika. Four count for this alif maddiya. Due to this, همزة right مد due to همزة مد الواجب متصل أولئك هم الكفرة راء heavy all the letters are light هم الكفرة الفجرة فجرة راء heavier here and this time مربوطة will convert to ها بالساكنة أولئك هم الكفرة الفجرة. Alhamdulillah, so we have completed learning the rulings of Surah Al-Abasa, Tajweed rulings, right? You have to recite it in this way, and also I request you to understand its meaning as well. If you don't understand the Arabic words, kindly recite or read the recitation with translation, okay? In this way, you will be able to understand while you are reciting in the class, and it will be very, interesting to recite. Okay, inshallah, because these surahs are all about the akhirah, it will be very helpful, inshallah, to rise our iman. So, if you have any doubts from our number 23 to 42 in Tajweed rulings, you can ask me. I'm gonna unmute your mics after that, inshallah. Let's recite them, okay? Unmute your mics for doubts. Ji, sister, inshallah. Any doubts in the Tajweed rulings here? No? Okay, let's begin to recite, inshallah. Recite after me. Let's begin. Are you able to unmute your mics? Okay.
Yes.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
كلا لما يقض ما أمره
لما يقض ما أمره
كلا لما يقض ما أمره
كلا لما يقض ما أمره
فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه
فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه
فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه
فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه
أنا صببنا الماء صبا
أنا صببنا الماء صبا
أنا صببنا الماء صبا
أنا صببنا الماء صبا
ثم شققنا الأرض شقا
ثم شققنا الأرض شقا
ثم شققنا الأرض شقا
ثم شققنا الأرض شقا
فأنبتنا فيها حبا
فأنبتنا فيها حبا
فأنبتنا فيها حبا
فأنبتنا فيها حبا
وعنبا وقضبا
وعنبا وقضبا
وعنبا وقضبا
وعنبا وقضبا
وزيتونا ونخلا
وزيتونا ونخلا
وزيتونا ونخلا
وزيتونا ونخلا
وحدائق غلبا
وحدائق غلبا
وحدائق غلبا
وحدائق غلبا
وفاكهة وأبا
وفاكهة وأبا
وفاكهة وأبا
وفاكهة وأبا
متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم
متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم
متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم
متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم
فإذا جاءت الصاخة
فإذا جاءت الصاخة
فإذا جاءت الصاخة
فإذا جاءت الصاخة
يوم يفر المرء من أخيه
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 وأمه وأبيه
وأمه وأبيه
وأمه وأبيه
وأمه وأبيه
وصاحبته وبنيه
وصاحبته وبنيه
وصاحبته وبنيه
وصاحبته وبنيه
لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه
لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه
كل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه
لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن ويغنيه
وجوه يومئذ مسفرة
وجوه يومئذ مسفرة
وجوه يومئذ مسفرة
وجوه يومئذ مسفرة
ضاحكة مستبشرة
ضاحكة مستبشرة
ضاحكة مستبشرة
ضاحكة مستبشرة
ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة
ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة
ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة
ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة
ترهقها قترة
ترهقها قترة
ترهقها قترة أولئك هم الكفرة الفجرة
أولئك هم الكفرة الفجرة
أولئك هم الكفرة الفجرة
أولئك هم الكفرة الفجرة.
Alhamdulillah. Now let's recite it with your mics muted, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. كلا لما يقض ما أمره فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه أنا صببنا الماء صبا ثم شققنا الأرض شقا فأنبتنا فيها حبا وعنبا وقضبا وزيتونا ونخلا وحدائق غلبا وفاكهة وأبا متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم فإذا جاءت الصاخة يوم يفر المرء من أخيه وأمه وأبيه وصاحبته وبنيه لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه وجوه يومئذ مسفرة ضاحكة مستبشرة ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة ترهقها قترة أولئك هم الكفرة الفجرة. Okay, let's recite again. But if you want to leave the meeting, you can leave, inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. كلا لما يقض ما أمره فلينظر الإنسان إلى طعامه أنا صببنا الماء صبا ثم شققنا الأرض شقا فأنبتنا فيها حبا وعنبا وقضبا وزيتونا ونخلا وعنبا وقضبا وزيتونا ونخلا وحدائق غلبا وزيتونا ونخلا وحدائق غلبا وفاكهة وأبا متاعا لكم ولأنعامكم فإذا جاءت الصاخة يوم يفر المرء من أخيه وأمه وأبيه وصاحبته وبنيه لكل امرئ منهم يومئذ شأن يغنيه وجوه يومئذ مسفرة وجوه يومئذ مسفرة ضاحكة مستبشرة ضاحكة مستبشرة ووجوه يومئذ عليها غبرة ترهقها قترة أولئك هم الكفرة الفجرة Alhamdulillah, barakallah fikum. So we have completed reciting as well, barakallah. So we have also completed the whole surah, right? Surah Abasa. Tomorrow, that is Sunday, sorry, Friday will be off, inshallah, so that you can practice well. The videos will be uploaded, watch it and practice it well. From day after tomorrow, that is Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, you will recite these ayahs, okay? Inshallah, don't miss the recitation classes. You cannot just pile up your recitation. You have to recite it on time. And these are the long surahs, right? So in those four classes, you'll be allowed only to miss one class, not more than that. If you have missed more than one class, you will not recite that on Friday. Remember it. Kindly practice well, inshallah, and come to the class. Without practice, if you just come and recite, then this course is of no use. You are here to rectify your tajweed mistakes and recite the Quran with its true recital, right? So you have to practice well, inshallah. If you have any doubts regarding the tajweed rulings here, you can ask me, unmute your mics and ask the doubts. No doubts? Okay, let's end the meeting.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum. Ayat
Walaikum
34,
salam.
35, and ayat 34, 35, and 36 in the ending part. When you have to stop, is stressing for four
Yeah,
haraka.
for haraka, yeah, because it is madul arid li sukun, the mad which is due to temporary sukun, right? The temporary sukun mad. There are three conditions of that mad. First is stopping. Second is the last letter which carries few harakas that converts to sakina, right?
Okay, right.
And the third is before that there should be huruf al mad. There is ya mad here, right? In the ending of these ayahs.
Right.
So you have a choice to stretch it either for two count. You can just recite it akhi wa abi wa bani, or you can keep it for four haraka, just like we did in this recitation. Or else you can keep it for six count, that is 3 seconds, stretching it for 3 seconds, okay? But we are keeping it four as it is the majority of recitation in what we are learning Hafs and Asim. It is recited for four count only, okay? So we'll keep it for four count, inshallah.
Okay, just like that.
जी व इयाकी खैर. Any other doubts?
Baji ayat 37.
Mm-hmm.
Likullimri'in. This is Ain or Hamza?
It is Hamza, sister.
Ri'im minhum yawma izin sha new. Is it correct? Sha
Yeah, new. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's
new.
exactly. New.
New.
Not new, it is nui, not new. Remember, you have to recite the letters with their harakas first. New means you're adding sakin. For example, if you're reciting it new, it means you're reciting it like this, noon with the sakin, and then yeah, new, right? But
Okay.
there is dhammatan. There is dhammatan means first you should recite this nu correctly. No. Okay,
Okay.
then you have to recite this noon sakin merging with ya. Nui.
We.
Okay, how to identify that idgham means you first have to recite those of fatha dhamma correctly. I will take this ya with the fatha here, okay, and this is tanween of fathatan, then dhammatan, then kasratan. First you have to make sure that you recite that a, e, o correctly. First a, then ya. First u, ya. First ya. E, u, a. That should be correct. You cannot merge completely yeah with them like new and all. It should be nui. Nu, na, ni. That is perfect. Then you have to merge it. You have to merge tanween, not these harakas, right? Recite these ones.
Okay.
Fathatan, dhamatan, kasratan.
Okay. I.
Yeah, ain, yeah, ain, yeah.
Anya. Iya. Nuya.
Yeah, unya, unya.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Ayya. Iya. Uya.
Okay, you did not do gunna anywhere. You have to do gunna as well.
Okay.
Anya, unya, iya. Now take dhamma and recite.
Ayyu. Ayyu. Inyu. Uyyu. Uyyu.
Very good. Uyu. Okay, now take kasra to this
Uyyu.
ya and recite. Ayi.
I.
Uyi.
Okay. Uyi.
Iyi.
Okay. I. Uy is
إن
with Dhammatan.
بالضمتان. Yeah. إني is with كسرتان. أي is with فتحتان. Okay. Same
Okay.
thing with واو. Yeah, and wow has this kind of sound as they are merging incompletely there. Now this is yung, e, first e then yung kind of sound. Yung. Okay. Wa, wa, yung. I hope it is clear, inshallah.
Awa, Unwa,
E, e, yung.
how could do this Gunna?
First
In
Hamza with kasra. Yung. Just like how you say this dew. Okay, like sew in English. Yung.
Yung.
Just gunna there. Yung. Yeah, very good. Yung.
Unwa.
Okay.
Okay, Baji.
Is it clear? Just you
Okay.
have to practice this. Keep it like this. Fathatan, Dhammatan, Kasratan with ya. With the Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra. Practice it. And if you want to send it to me, you can send the recording of it on WhatsApp. I will correct it,
I
inshallah.
wanted
Okay?
to send, but I didn't know how to do that. Today I got it clear. Inshallah,
Yeah,
I
okay.
will
But
send
still,
it
after
by
practicing, if you
practicing
want
it.
to send, you can send
Inshallah.
it. Yeah, alhamdulillah. Any other doubts?
Alhamdulillah. Jazakallah.
Yeah, okay. Khair. Alhamdulillah. So, Ji sister Minha, you can text me on WhatsApp, okay? I will reply to you, inshallah. Let's end the meeting now. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
وعليكم السلام
Walaikum
ورحمة
salam.
الله
Warahmatullahi
وبركاته.
wabarakatuh.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू जज़ाकल्लाहु खैर बाजी
الحمد لله وإياك خير.